My name is Sesheta and today I would like to tell you about the different types of triangles. Well, there are total 6 different types of triangles. So, there are total 2 main classifications of triangles. First on the basis of their angles and second on the basis of their size, the length of their sides. So, I would first like to tell you about the triangles on the basis of their sides. So there are 3 different types of triangles on the basis of their sides. Equilateral triangle, then isosceles triangle, and then scalene triangle. In equilateral triangle, all 3 sides of the triangle are of the same length. Then in the isosceles triangle, there are 3 sides of a triangle obviously, and out of those 3, only 2 of them are of equal length. Then in the scalene triangle, all 3 sides of the triangle are of different length. None of them are equal to each other. So that was the division of the 3 that was all about the 3 types of triangles. Now I would like to tell you that no matter the size of a triangle, no matter if it is equilateral, isosceles or scalene, always the sum of all the angles of a triangle must be of 180 degrees. So in an equilateral triangle where all the sides are equal, the angles are also of the equal length, of equal measurement. So each angle of an equilateral triangle is of 60 degrees. Same goes for all the different sides, the 3 sides of an equilateral triangle, and so the sum of all the angles of an equilateral triangle is 180 degrees. Then for an isosceles triangle, for example, the angles of an isosceles triangle we keep at 90 degrees and the rest 2 are of 45 degrees. So the sum of all the angles will be again 180 degrees. Here, as I have taken 90 degrees as one angle, so that will be also considered as a right angle triangle, which I will be explaining later. So we can also take another example of an isosceles triangle, such as we can 30 degrees, 2 angles, and this one will be of 120 degrees. So again, their sum must be 180 degrees. Then in a scalene triangle, we can put any measurement of an angle, but it should be measuring and it should be relatable to the diagram or to the figure we have made. Now, I would like to tell you about the triangles, the different types of triangles on the basis of their angles. So the first one is right angle triangle. Then obtuse angle triangle, and the third one is acute angle triangle. So these are 3 different types of triangles on the basis of their angles. In a right angle triangle, there is one right angle which is of 90 degrees. This shows that this is a right angle triangle. Then comes an obtuse angle triangle. In an obtuse angle triangle, there is a triangle which has an obtuse angle, such as this is more than 90 degrees. So this angle is an obtuse angle, and therefore the triangle is an obtuse angle triangle. Then the same goes for acute angle triangle. The angle is less than 90 degrees. So all these angles are an acute angles or are acute angles. So this is an acute angle triangle. So now I would like to tell you more about a right angle triangle. So now I am making a right angle triangle to show you that there are three different parts of a right angle triangle. The lower part is known as the base. The slanting part, which has the most length, which is the longest, is known as the hypotenuse. And the straight line, which is going vertically, is known as the height. There is a Greek mathematician who was also a philosopher. He was known as Pythagoras, and he had discovered the Pythagoras theorem. So with the help of that theorem, that formula, we are able to take out any side of a triangle if only two are given. For example, in many exams, a question can come that find the height of the following figure where the hypotenuse and the base is given. Whereas another question can come, find the hypotenuse of this triangle in which the height and the base is given. So using the formula, the Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find out the measurement. So for example, we are putting height as h, base as b, and we will put hypotenuse as a. So a square equals to b square plus h square. Therefore, we have found out the measurement of hypotenuse. The same, we can use it in other for base also and for height. For example, if the height and the base in an isosceles right angle triangle, the height and the base will be of equal length. So then we can the hypotenuse will also be changed. So this was all about different triangles and also about the Pythagoras theorem. So I hope you understood your basics from this video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.